Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Okay, I'm fine. Thank you. Okay, before we start our class, I will check attendance list. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shafira. Present. Ana. Present. Alvina. Present. Malika.
Present.
Okay. Yes. Let's check your uniform.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, let's. Who is the leader in this class?
Sidan.
Okay, Jen, please very good.
Begin our lesson today. Let's pray for semangat together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Thank you, Linda. And before we start our meeting, I will share the pretest. You can open the WhatsApp. I will share.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, finish class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you still remember material last week?
No.
Oh yes, pintar Malika. And we will learn about narrative text and definition narrative text, function, structure, language structure, and example. And before our lesson today, we will send the video you can watch. Okay, finish ya.
Yes,
Video.
ma'am.
Your reading in this video class. Definition.
Definition, structure.
An example of narrative text. Okay, I will explain the material definition. And narrative text is a type of text that tells a story of an event. It is written to entertain, inform, or teach a moral lesson. Narrative text usually have character, setting, and plot that include a problem and its resolution. Jadi naratif ini tuh menceritakan cerita non fiksi, contohnya itu maling kundang, gayung sumbing gitu. Understand? Okay, next. The purpose, tujuannya ya to entertain the reader or the listener, to tell a story about past event, and to share experience or to listen. Generic structure, and for generic structure, orientation, communication, and resolution, adalah reorientation. Orientation introduces the characteristic, setting, time and place, and situation. Communication describe the problem on conflict that the characteristic. Jadi ini tuh di communication ini tuh menceritakan masalahnya yang terjadi pada cerita tersebut. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And then the solution, explain how the problem is solved or how the story ends. The last reorientation, closing statement or moral value. Ini itu pelajaran apa yang bisa kita ambil dari cerita tersebut ya? Perhatikan ini di language voucher ada use of part tensesnya biasanya will, saw, will. Use of action verb run, jump, and fight. And time-nya that, after that, and finally adjective to describe character and setting. And contohnya example bisa the following one person. Okay.
Okay. Title: The Brave Little Rabbit. Orientation: Once upon a time, there was a little rabbit named Penny who lived in a forest. He was small but very brave. Complication: One day, a big wolf came into the forest and scared all the animals. Penny decided to stop the wolf. The solution: Penny tricked the wolf by leading him into a trap set by the hunters. The wolf was caught, and the forest was safe again. All the animals praised Penny for his courage. Reorientation. Oh,
Thank you. And reorientation, rabbit is a challenge. Okay? Okay, so I will do you task. Make a narrative type of a non-fiction story and then present in front of the class. Before I will divide you 5 groups, group 1, 2, 3, and 4. And before I will start the LKPD. Okay, you make a LKPD, you make a task, make a narrative with a group after that and present it in front of the classes.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Okay, class, that is enough. Finish?
Yes.
Okay. Group 3 is present in front of the class, yes?
Yes.
Yes, my group. The example text narrative that we can use, the title is Clever Fox. The first is orientation. Once upon a time in a dense forest, there lived a clever fox. And then the communication. One day, the fox was feeling very hungry and couldn't find any food. With the resolution, the fox approached the crow and raised its beautiful voice, saying, "Oh, dear crow, I have heard that your voice is the most melodious in the forest." And then the last is reorientation. From that day, the crow learned to become courteous of flattery and never let compliments hold it judgment. Okay, and then the genetic structure of narrative text. First, orientation, mengenal tokoh, waktu, dan tempat tersebut. And then communication, permasalahan atau konflik yang dihadapi oleh tokoh utama. The third, resolution, penyelesaian dari permasalahan atau konflik ini. And the last, reorientation, untuk cerita yang seringkali berisi pesan moral atau thank you. And pronunciation, grammar, speaking, you are good. Yes, thank you, ma'am. Okay, do you understand? Okay, today we will learn about narrative text. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next week we will learn about the context. Before the joining in class, you can learn. Yes.
Yes.
After the class, I will send the post test. You can open the WhatsApp group. Yes.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can answer.